If you want to earn $200 to $500 completely automatic with no work needed, be sure to watch this entire video. Now, what we'll learn inside this video is number one, how to find the right affiliate product to promote to easily make $300 or more per day. I'm going to share with you a few incredibly powerful sources that you can go to find tons of different products that are guaranteed to make sales. So once you use the other strategy that I'm going to reveal in this video, you're going to be able to get people to that product very easily. I'm going to share with you a little known totally free method. This method's totally free to get people to see that product that you find to promote on total autopilot. So once you set that up, which takes just minutes to do, you're going to be able to lay back and allow people to see the product, buy, and make commissions and money on total autopilot without even lifting a finger. I'm also going to share with you a secret software to quickly make the method even faster. It's a software that's totally free, and you're going to be able to use this to do this method rapidly so you can start to make money as fast as possible. Now, be sure to smash the like button right now below if you're excited to learn this and you want me to make more step-by-step videos. Now, last but not least, be sure to stay until the very end of the video because you're going to learn a very powerful method to quickly scale this strategy to make even more money per day, and you do not want to miss this. Okay, so the very first step is to find an affiliate product to promote. Now, there's many different places online you can go, but I'm going to share with you two of my favorite to shortcut your success. Number one is ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a marketplace online where you can sign up and find tons of different products to promote in many different niches: dog training, health and fitness. All you want to do is go to clickbank.com, and once you're on this website, you just want to sign up. Okay, you click that sign up button. It's going to take you to this form. It's free to join. Fill out your information and go ahead and join. Okay, now once you're inside ClickBank, what we want to do is we want to go to the top and click Marketplace, because this is going to list tons of different categories of products that we can find to promote. Now, if you're just brand new, I recommend you choose one of the 3 evergreen niches. These are topics or categories of products that are never going to go away: health, wealth, and relationships. The reason these are very powerful is because once you use this method, everyone is going to want to improve their health. Everyone's going to improve their wealth and relationships. They're never going to go out of style. So you can go to business and investing. You could go to health and fitness, self-help. That's where you're going to find most of the relationship type products. Okay. But let's say, for example, you want to do health and fitness, okay, which is popular. You can just click health and fitness on ClickBank. And what we want to do is sort results by gravity, because what gravity is, it's a score that ClickBank gives different products on how well it's actually selling for other people, because we want to promote products that are guaranteed to make us money and make sales. Because what we're going to do is just promote our affiliate link using the incredible little known strategy that I'm going to share in a second. And once we do, and people go to that page, if it's selling well for other people, it's going to sell well for us. And that's how we're going to make even more money. So by gravity, you can see that right here. Okay, this has a 525 score, 491. It's going to get less and less as you go. So I would choose one of these top products. Okay, now to get your affiliate link on ClickBank, all you're going to do is click promote and you hit generate hop links. Okay, and this is going to give you your affiliate link. You can just copy this. And now what you want to do for ClickBank and the other source I'm going to share in a second is we don't want to just take that big link. We want to go to bit.ly, okay, bit.ly, which is a free website. And what we want to do is we want to shorten that long link to make it look more attractive. This is very important for this method. And to do this, we just go to create. We paste this long link that we got from ClickBank. And now we have this link here. Okay, this is our bit.ly link. We would just copy this to a notepad, keep it somewhere handy, because we're going to need this in a second, as you'll see. So once we do that, we would have our link. Now, the other source I want to share with you, which is my #1 favorite place to find affiliate products to promote, I'm going to include a link in the description. When you click that link, you're going to get taken to a private affiliate program where you can actually sign up and earn 100% commissions all the way up to $2,000. And I like that one because With ClickBank, you don't get the money instantly. You have to wait a week up to a month sometimes. But at the link below, you'll be able to get paid instantly when you apply this method. Now, what is this method? Now, here's where it gets cool, okay? We want to go to YouTube. And what you want to do is realize that YouTube videos is a completely passive way to expose someone to a product. Now, before you freak out and you think, I don't want to create videos, you're not gonna have to create a video and you're not even gonna have to pay any money. You can literally use other people's videos legally. Okay, now this is a little known thing people don't realize, but if you go to the search bar and we search something, okay, now what do you wanna search? You wanna think about whatever product you're promoting, the niche, and we wanna type that in here. So for example, if you're promoting a product that has to do with health and fitness, you could type in health and fitness. Okay, if it was make money online, you could type in make money online. Now what we want to do is go to filter, okay, and we want to filter by Creative Commons. Now again, a lot of people don't know what this is, but Creative Commons videos are actually under a certain type of ability, if you will, where the creator of that video is basically giving you the access to that video. They're saying, hey, you can actually download this video and use it for yourself. You can use it however you want. If you want to edit it, if you want to upload it, you get access to that video. So we filter by Creative Commons. Now all these videos, okay, are in the niche of our product and they're able for us to use. So what we want to do is we want to look at the videos that are pretty good, you know, getting some good views, okay, like this one, for example, and we want to right click, okay, and copy link address. This is copying the link to the actual video. Okay, because what we're gonna do is we're actually going to download this video and re-upload it, as you'll see in a second, okay? So what you wanna do is copy the link, and then we're gonna go to a website where you can actually download the video, okay, onto your computer. Now, if you have a smartphone, sometimes there's apps that you can actually use to download the video as well, very, very easily. But on a PC, you could go to this website here. If this website's no longer available, okay, for this incredibly powerful free software, you can just go to Google, type in YouTube video downloader, and then just find one of them, okay? There's many other sites just like this. And what we would do is paste in that video link and hit start, okay? And then once it does that, you just wanna click, one of the different qualities. It doesn't really matter, but 720 is a good one to do. Download that and it's gonna save onto your PC or your Mac. Now, once you have that video downloaded, what you wanna do is you want to create a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. Now, it's, again, free to create a YouTube channel. It takes just minutes. And the way you would do that is you basically just go to YouTube and you would log in with a Gmail account, okay? So Gmail is hooked up to YouTube. If you have a Gmail email address, then you can create a YouTube channel and you would just create a free YouTube channel. It's very simple to do and it takes just minutes, okay? Now, once you have a YouTube channel created, then we want to start uploading these videos to it, okay? And I want to share with you right now a channel that I created in a specific niche years ago that's still generating me affiliate commissions with this method as we keep watching this video, okay? So if I go here, okay, now I named this channel Passive Income Training, and I created this again years ago, but I've uploaded all these Creative Commons videos in the network marketing or entrepreneur social media marketing niche, okay? So you can see that I did Facebook ads, this one on how to advertise on Twitter, this one on network marketing success, okay? So I downloaded the video and I just re-uploaded it onto this channel, and you can see that this video, okay, 4 years ago, got 1,100 views. This one, okay, how to use Twitter to promote your business, 4 years ago, 1,100 views. Now, you don't need a lot of views to start to make great income, okay? Because what happens is once we upload these videos, what you want to do, and this is one of the most important things, is underneath the video, we want to put our affiliate link. So we want to write a piece of text into the description that says something like, hey, if you want to learn more information on how to lose weight, if you want to learn more information on how to make money online, if you want to learn more information on how to gain muscle, whatever the product is, we want to say, go here, okay? If you want to learn more how to do this, click this link. And then we put our bit.ly link. Remember, we created this bit.ly. You would click that link, which is just a shortened link to your affiliate link from ClickBank or the affiliate program in my description below. we put that here, and we save it. And what happens is, on autopilot, for years to come, these videos will continue to get more views, continue to get more people seeing them, but more importantly, they're gonna see the description, they're gonna click your bit.ly link, which is gonna redirect to your affiliate sales page. And because we know the affiliate product is selling well, because it's selling well for other people, we are going to start to make commissions. And what that equals is money on total autopilot flooding into your PayPal, your bank account, your MoneyGram, whatever way you want to collect the money. Okay, as promised for the bonus, I'm going to share with you how to scale this even more. Okay, so as you start creating your first channel, money starting to come in, what you want to think about is there's tons of different products in tons of different categories. Okay, so you can create multiple YouTube channels, you can create channels in golf, you can create channels in, cooking, whatever niches that you want, you can start to create different channels in and just posting those Creative Commons videos. So you want to think outside the box, think long-term with this strategy, and really realize that it's incredibly powerful once you start to apply it. This method is incredibly powerful. If you like this video and you want me to make more step-by-step trainings, be sure to smash that like button to let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna be posting weekly videos. This is just the tip of the iceberg on what I can share on how to start making passive automated income, which is what this channel is about. And last but not least, the affiliate program that I'm personally with is my #1 recommended way to make money. If you haven't checked it out yet, go to the link below, watch that free training, and take action on what's covered. It's absolutely amazing, and I think you'll love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training video.